Cape Villa, located in Camps Bay with the backdrop of the 12 Apostles Mountains and the Atlantic coast, was redesigned by ARRCC for an international family. The villa embodies the perfect blend of modern luxury and ethnic touches. The interior and exterior are designed to maximize natural light and provide a cheerful, comfortable, and characterful space through local art elements and premium materials. Exterior. Cape Villa sits elegantly on the edge of the Atlantic coast, with the majestic 12 Apostles Mountains as a backdrop. Large aluminum screens and reflective surfaces on the facade provide a modern sheen, while a lush garden oasis creates a peaceful journey towards the entrance. The home makes the most of natural light, creating an open feel that blends in with the natural surroundings. Interior. Inside, the villa welcomes you with large open spaces filled with natural light. Volakas marble floors exude a sense of luxury, paired with French oak and bronze accents. The master bedroom has a private terrace with panoramic views. While the playful children's room features a unique graphic design. Carefully selected South African artworks enrich the ambience, creating a balance between luxury, comfort, and personality.